Hello students, good morning everyone. Can you all see this image? Yes, this is the images of many trees. Did you like trees? What are the uses of trees? Can you say? Yes, very good children. There are so many uses of trees. The importance of trees are it removes carbon dioxide, reduces soil erosion, provides us fruit, provides medicine, cools our houses, and so on. So, let's we save trees and do not cut down a life. Is it clear to you? Today, we are going to see about trees by Sarah Coleridge. Did you got your books? Okay, those who got your books, kindly turn to page number 125. Okay children, now I am going to read out only first 4 lines of this poem and I am going to explain about first 4 lines. Please listen carefully. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people queues in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. These are the first 4 lines from this memory poem. Okay, now I am going to explain it to you. Can you all see this image? Can you name the tree? Yes, very good. This is the banyan tree. The banyan is the largest of trees. Largest means very big. Biggest tree is the banyan tree. So, first line of your memory poem is the banyan is the largest of trees. Can you all see this image? See how largest the banyan tree is? It has so many branches and roots. Okay? Did you play by using this tree? Yes, very good. Okay, children. So, first line is the banyan is the largest of trees. Largest means very big. I am just revising it again. Okay, children. So, come, let's move on to our second line of the poem. Before going into second line of this poem, can you all see this image? What is the name of this tree? Yes, very good. The name of the tree is pupil. The pupil quivers in the breeze. Pupil quivers. Pupil is the name of a tree. You can see it in many temples and also in our villages. Okay, children, it is a very big tree. So, leaves of the pupil tree quivers in the breeze. Quivers means shakes. Okay, children, this is your second line from tree's memory poem. The pupil quivers in the breeze. Is it clear to you? When breeze blows, the leaves of the pupil tree shakes very well. So that the poet said, the pupil quivers in the breeze. Already we learnt importance of trees in your second prose when the trees walked. Is it clear to you? Grandfather explains the importance of the trees in this prose. Is it? So that this is your another poem which tells you the importance of trees. And by growing trees, we can save our earth. This is your memory poem, children. So, please listen carefully. Okay, come, let's move on to our third line of the poem. This is very familiar tree. Yes, this is a coconut tree. The coconut grows up straight and tall. How does the coconut grows up? It grows up very straight and also tall. Tall means very high, sky high. It is sky high. It is a very tall tree and also it grows straight. It doesn't have any branches. Coconut tree doesn't have any branches. It grows up very straight and also grows up very tall. That's why this line is the coconut grows up straight and tall. This is your third line of the poem. How many of you like coconut trees? Did you like tender coconut? Okay, fine. We move on to fourth line of this poem. Can you all see this tree again? This is a very important tree. It has so much of medical qualities in it. This is a neem tree. The neem tree's fruits are very small. Naturally, neem trees has so much of medical qualities in it. It is very useful for us. The poet described about the fruits of the neem trees. How does this fruit of the neem tree? The neem tree's fruits are very small. These are the first 4 lines from your poem. I hope this is clear to you, children. As of now, I have completed first 4 lines of your memory poem for this first term.
That is
I hope this is very simple and very clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Children, this is time for your assignment.
So memorize
We are taking so much of pain to do each and every videos.
Now we shall
So
see what is the
kindly
content
do your
of the poem.
assignment within a given time and post it soon. Okay, children? Today your assignment is you are going to write first 4 lines of this poem.
This poem is
So you are
adapted
going to
and
write
based on
only
the poem
first
by
4
Sarah
lines. It is
Coleridge.
very easy
It
and
is also
simple
a
also.
memory poem.
So kindly do your
memorize
homework.
well,
Do respect for
understand
your
and then memorize.
teachers and
Now
response
we shall
each and
see what is
every
the content
subject
of the poem.
homework. Okay, your response is very important to us. Your attendance and your response both are very important, children. So kindly do response for your homework. Okay, children. Again, I am going to read it out. First 4 lines. Listen carefully. The banyan is the largest of trees. The pupil quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. This is a simple and easy poem, kids. So please do your assignment. You are going to write first 4 lines of this poem 2 times. Okay, children, kindly submit your assignment by today evening itself.